This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Segway Ninebot ES4 electric scooter. This particular version is the one that they're liquidating on eBay and sites like Big Battery and whatnot. We're not sponsored or anything. I just figured I'd do an unboxing for this because everyone else has the scooter like all assembled and all that stuff, but you don't actually see what you get in the box. So you assume they're all refurbs. This thing could be scuffed up, destroyed, who knows? So we're going to find out together. So like I said, this is the one from the Rideshare things. Primarily they're selling them out of California and whatnot. So let's have a look. I should say that I got this model on eBay because I was able to get the Squaretrade Warranty for it. And you can get a 3-year warranty for $21 or a 2-year warranty for $25. So just be cautious when they try giving you the 2-year one if you add it to your cart, because it makes no sense to me. Once again, not sponsored by anybody. Just doing the unboxings like we always do, except no blue scissors. We got some nice gray and yellow ones. So, it's first impression. Maybe this is dust or scuffed up. It's definitely something. So they claim to have, you know, under 1 mile. These compare with the Segway app and whatnot, so have a look at that. So first impression, that stuff comes off. So it's definitely, I mean, hasn't been used before because you're not just randomly peeling off some tape off the reflector things at the back. So underneath, yeah, zero scuffs. I mean, looks brand new to me. So let's take this off right here if we can. Just show you that. Once again, non-foldable version. If you want the foldable one, spend $350 more. So you got your kickstand here. So for the most part, this thing looks as if it just is flat out brand new. The next part is where I kind of said, well, hold on. So they give you the kit to put it together because you have to clamp this to the front, obviously. So they give you the tools for that. So that's all in here. You get a random plastic bag to nothing, another random plastic bag to nothing, which was probably for the charger that's in here. And the cable for it. So 71 watt, 42 volt charger, Segway. Once again, you compare this thing with the Segway app. So that's the biggest thing, so we can see how many miles are on it. I won't be doing a video for that. Like I said, you can find hundreds of people doing videos for these online. This is basically what's in the box. So here is the other part. Like I said, kind of looks like a little dust or whatever. I'll clean it up, but you can definitely tell somebody was putting these batteries on, did not care about it. But other than that, I mean, it looks brand new. So this is 36.8 volt, 5,000 milliamp lithium ion battery. The other battery's inside here. This thing definitely has some weight to it. So, get some Allen wrenches. They also gave you anything else in this fancy box. Before I show you the grips, there is not. Out of the way. Drag this thing over here. And let's just see what the grips and everything else looks like on here. But so far, as long as this thing pairs with the app and says it's never been used, I mean, it doesn't look like it to me. I mean, save 350 bucks, get the non-foldable version if you care. Almost got it. It's always good when you hear something fall while you're doing it. I guess we'll find out what that's for in a moment. Hopefully it's not important. I guess we'll see. Oh, there's a louder one. That would be for the bell that just completely disintegrated off of here. Which I don't think is actually getting, no, it actually cracked right off. So yeah, so see what happens when you live unbox things. The bell that came in this thing is completely shattered. So I'll be taking it off, unfortunately. It is what it is. So I'll see if I can contact the seller, see if they're going to send out a bell. I highly doubt it. But other than that, like I said, thing looks brand new. When you look, you got your two grips, the ES4, what do you call it? The GPS track thing that I don't think actually works because they disable it now. Headlight in the front, stickers all over everything. I mean, brand new. It's just you can't expect this thing from California to Massachusetts to come and be in flawless condition. So there you go. Other than a $5 bell, I think this is definitely worth it. So once again, that was the Segway Ninebot ES4, the Rideshare version, unboxing by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.